Does Safety First offer a fire-resistive floor? Yes, Safety does offer a fire-rated floor up to 120 minutes. As much as it's considered a floor, I would also say that it's considered overhead glazing, allowing for natural light to be incorporated to a space from above. Our floor has been designed so that the frame is actually the structure for the floor, and when installers are bringing the unit in, it can be installed from above, all in one piece, as opposed to our competitors' products, which require installation from both below and above, causing additional labor. So if you visit our website, you'll see several applications in the field where we've incorporated decorative art from other manufacturers or standard ceramic frit patterns that provide translucency to the assembly. If you want to learn more about our products and services, feel free to visit our website at www.safety.com or call us toll-free at 888-653-3333.